Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the Search for Apps and Games option. Insert here the particular app that you want to fix a login error of. This is the particular app. And then you can tap on this particular app. See if your app is updated. This could be the very first reason of you facing a login error. Your app may not have been updated, so make sure to update it. And you will get an option of update just next to the app, and tap on update and make it updated. The very second one is to go to the settings of your phone. Tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Tap on Manage Apps below System App Settings. Tap on the search bar. Insert here Instagram. Tap on this particular app. On the bottom you have 3 of the options: Force Stop, Uninstall and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Data next to Uninstall. Tap on Clear Cache below Clear All Data. Tap on OK. So you have successfully removed all of the cache related to Instagram. This has made your app really fresh and healthy to use it back again. This could be the second reason of you facing it. And the third one is to tap on your particular app and get it uninstalled. For that, tap on Uninstall and then go back to Play Store once more and then search for Apps and Games option and then install Instagram app once again. So reinstalling it may help it to fix the login error. So this was the third one. So I have just told you 3 of the ways to do it. I'm sure it will definitely help. So go back and try all of the 3 ways. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.